the day 3. That's day 3, and we are going to go to Joke Falls now. From Joke Falls we're going to head to the Kollur Hills, and from Kollur Hills we are going to proceed towards our stay today, that is in Malpe Beach Resort in Malpe. So that's how it's going to be, the tour for day 3. And it was a fantastic day too, with continuous rain since morning till evening. It didn't stop in the night also, and we had a very good sunshine today morning on day 3. So it's going to be a fantastic ride today in the morning, and I feel completely energetic and beautiful because the roads are wonderful, the greenery is fantastic. It's so dense that you want to seriously enjoy the fantastic views that I'm going to show today on day 3. So I hope you enjoy all the day's videos, and do subscribe to my channel, and do come and give me motivation by liking this, commenting this, sharing this on your Facebook, Twitter, as well as our Instagram account. And love you guys. Thank you very much. Have a great day. That is called Joke Falls. You can see behind me. A lot of mist there, but fantastic views. These views are really mesmerizing. And Joke is only on when it's raining. So remember, when it's heavily raining, you should tour. You should tour. You should not sit inside your home. Don't be comfortable on that couch. Just come out. Enjoy this particular view. That's how you do it, man. That's how you do it.